Hey guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove slide numbers from your Google Slides presentation. Now there's two ways how to do this. This could be done on a single slide, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well as if you want to remove the slide numbers from all slides. Now for a single slide, let's take for example this main page here. Let's say I wanted to remove the number 1 here from this page. I can simply look towards where it's showing the number. In my case, it's on the lower right. I can click on that number 1 like that, and now you will see that it's selected. And once it is selected, I can just simply click delete on my keyboard and it's going to be removed. And if I move to the second page, you will see that it continues from the page to onwards. So you can do that for those pages if you so desire. Now, what if I want to do this for all slides? It's very easy as well. It's basically the same steps that you would take to go ahead and add those page numbers or the slide numbers, and you just need to go to insert, go down to where it says slide numbers, and here you'll have the option to turn off. So all you have to do is just simply click in off, and you want to click and apply. I want to show you something before I apply it. In case you're working, or let me go ahead and apply the turn off, and let's go back and I'll show you something. If it's a situation where you want to add those slide numbers but you want to skip the title slides, you can turn it on and you can choose to skip title slides. So if it's a situation where you want to skip those slides because you don't want those slides to be numbered but you want other page to be numbered, then you want to ensure that you check this box and those title slides will not get it, right? So all you have to do is just select it and just simply click and apply, and those title slides will not have any page number. And this is a typical example. As you can see, the first home page here, or the top page or the title slide here, it has no page number, but if I scroll down you can see number 2 has it, and so forth and so forth and so forth. And that's how you easily do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.